Hey guys, it's me, NickBrick99, and just showed you a little bit, but I guess I'll show you now. This is my non-Halo. This time it's not Halo. Not fully done shotgun. Yeah, I use a lot of black, a lot light gray, but yeah, here it is. I'll show you in detail. Right here is the handle for right now. Then you got the trigger here. I don't have the handle like this yet. You got this part right here, and then it's got the sights right here, and right here on the end, cylindrical one. And I just lay up, and then just shoot. But yeah, here's the pump action. Pretty easy. I just use this, I don't know what you want to call it, I'd say like a kind of railing where it bends up just a little bit, and it helps it on like a track, and then you just stick this on and it can easily just pump. Just go, then get ready to shoot. So yeah, but as I said, it's not finished. It is a very, very nice weapon though, and but yeah, that's about it. And so yeah, my next video will probably be on a Halo weapon. I can't tell you yet. Just watch the video. And hope you like this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. This is NickBrick99 signing out.